Success is built on a strong foundation. And for teams who are helping drive enterprise-wide digital transformation, that means building a strong data foundation, one that connects to the right data, one that contextualizes data so it's truly useful, and one that gets data where it's needed safely and securely without disrupting operations. But that's not as easy as it sounds, especially when it comes to data that's in a control system. In fact, more and more manufacturers are finding that extracting and integrating control system data is simply too hard, too costly, or too risky using their existing technology. Until now. Emerson's DeltaV Edge environment is bridging the gap between OT-centric process control systems and their IT-focused applications and data destinations. The DeltaV Edge environment maximizes data accessibility through secure data egress from the DeltaV distributed control system to wherever data is needed, whether that's on-premise or in the cloud. The DeltaV Edge environment creates a high-accuracy, high-resolution system data replica and automatically synchronizes it with the DeltaV distributed control system. Because the DeltaV Edge environment establishes a secure, read-only connection point, it allows access to valuable operational data for enterprise-wide consumption without risking a disturbance to the control system. Within the DeltaV Edge environment, data is contextualized based on DeltaV's configuration hierarchy and can be accessed for consumption through widely used interfaces. What's more, this contextualization is out-of-the-box ready, instantly available, and will reflect any changes made to your system. The result? Production teams can easily and securely leverage their control system data to gain deeper insights into operational performance and drive their digital transformation. The DeltaV Edge environment, maximizing data accessibility for manufacturers across industries.